The European Laboratory for Pedagogical Action Research and Student-Centered Learning, ELaRA, is part of the project European University of Technology, EUT+. On the 30th of March 2023, the Technical University of Sofia hosted an international seminar in hybrid mode entitled Women Talk About Science, Science Talks About Women, dedicated to women scientists and co-organized by teams from the TU-Sofia and Technological University Dublin.
The seminar is another format that we managed to implement at the Technical University of Sofia after the ELaRA conference in December and the roundtable the previous year. We was inspired from the Month of the Woman we suggest to our partners, and after they accepted, we start to organize the event with the support and cooperation with TU Dublin and Cluj-Napoca. We are very happy of the cooperation between our universities, and we are sure that is the right way for the future of our universities and Alliance.
The event offered a vibrant creative space for sharing relevant insights, experiences and ideas, reflecting the multifaceted aspects of the research work and innovative developments that the women academics, doctoral students and graduate students from the Technical University of Sofia are engaged in with regard to various domains of engineering and pedagogy. The seminar intended to present the woman scientist's vision of modern science, highlighting her essential role in the contemporary research pursuits which are taking place in the dynamic field of technological progress.
The participation of women in science is extremely valuable because it enables the scientific research with a priority to details and precision. Women enable the new perspective, enriching the current set of potential solutions. And last but not least, they make the world of scientific research richer in ideas and much more beautiful.
There is no denying that the debate over the excellence of women at the cutting edge of the scientific research will further promote their achievements, thus focusing the attention not only of the academic community but of the general public as well on the pivotal role of women, deservedly recognizing their major contribution as scientists and innovators in the 21st century.
We can summarize that in 21st century the attitude towards female researchers has changed. Therefore, the debate should be shifted from equality and equal rights towards equal recognition of the research achievements, to equal appraisal of researchers, being they male or female or divided by any other criteria. What matters are the research outputs, the talent and the contribution towards economy, the contribution towards society. Nowadays, we need to create a new European society where we acknowledge equally the contribution of each citizen of Europe. We need to appraise equally the contribution, the results, the talents. We need to establish a value system directed towards the human beings and humanity. This way, we will establish a new European society which is stronger and healthier, which cares about human beings and humanity. This will be the future of Europe.
In the two thematic panels, Emancipation and the Sphere of Science and the Woman Scientist and the World of Innovation, a number of insightful presentations were given by female professors, doctors and PhD students who covered a whole range of topics in the field of technology and innovation. The presentations and the subsequent lively discussions aroused the interest and attracted the attention of the audience, which included not only lecturers and PhD students from all EUT+ partner universities, but also more than 50 undergraduate students who attended the event during the different sessions in the two panels.